Hi guys!
Hi!
Welcome to my channel. Yep.
Yes.
Where we are now? We are in Panabo. What are you doing here in Panabo? What are you doing here in Panabo? Sa Panabo guys, malapit lang dito sa video. No, it's not video, it's video. Bakit video yung nasabi ko? This is Yana Super Pislap. No!
I'm from Francis Diana Rizzo.
Francis Diana Rizzo. I forgot. Sorry. And what is my name?
Pislat.
Yeah. Wait, whose birthday now?
I'm Ate Miyang.
Ate Miyang. Hi, Ate Miyang. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday to Ate Miyang.
Happy birthday, Ate Miyang.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again. Don't forget to like and
What?
subscribe. Yeah.
Subscribe. What is that?
Oh, everybody can watching you. Oh, say something. Everybody, a lot of viewers are watching you. Okay, say something. And what?
Lakpit piyak.
Nga. Let's iwan mamo. Come on. Come on, let's iwan mo. Go. Where's mamo? Where's mamo?
No.
No?
It's not Barbies.
What?
Papa. We have a black foot.
No! You have a black...
No.
You have a stinky pet. Oh no! Aray. You have a stinky pet. Yeah! You have a stinky pet. Yeah. Happy birthday, Ate Miyang. How old are you? Ate Miyang is now 11 years old. Oh. Say hi. She is so kulit.
No.
Yeah.
No.
See guys, look at baby. She's so kulit.
No. Look my car.
Yeah. You're a baby.
No.
You're a baby.
Yes.
Yes.
The video is a baby.
The?
Video is a baby.
How about you?
No.
Yes, you are.
No. Check my eyes.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, you are not a baby. Sorry, I thought you are a baby. Who's baby, Dia?
Yeah.
Dia is a baby and you're tall.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sige.
What is that?
Tagal ni Mamu? Mamu is matagal. You know what's matagal?
No. I don't know.
Ano yung matagal? Sa English. Matagal means it takes too long. Yan na. What are you doing? You're playing with in the mirror? Say something about Ate Miyang. Miyang.
We have a black foot.
Ate Miyang is
Pretty.
Yeah, pretty. And she's my ate of yan na kulit. Yeah. Okay, Yang is yeah, your sister.
Yes.
Yes, big sister. Ang sarap ng yan, ang sarap ng durian. Yan na. What do you call that fruit? That one.
Papaya.
No, the green one.
Papaya.
A lot of spike.
Papaya.
The fruit that has
Papaya.
a lot of spike. That's Tagadabaw. Yeah. Ang tawag nyo dyan sa durian, guys, Tagadabaw.
Tagadabaw.
Yeah, you want to eat? You want to eat Tagadabaw?
No.
Oh, that's delicious.
I want to try, please.
No, you tried already.
I want to try.
You used to call that Tagadabaw. That fruit.
I want to eat more. I want to eat, please.
What fruits that? What's your favorite fruit?
That one.
That one.
Yes, yes.
The spiky one?
Yeah.
Okay, tell Mamu. Yeah. You want to buy that? Tagadabaw? Tawag niya sa durian, guys, Tagadabaw. Itong batang makulit.
No.
No, you're not cool. Pagkalima mo. It's here and Arbe. Behave. Asin ng kilikili. Your kilikili is so sour. Yan. Hi.
You finished. Hi. And not
Oh,
again.
what's that? It's coming.
Mama.
Mom is coming. Okay.
Mama. Will you check?
Yes, Mom. Okay. Ready? Yan na. Come here. Mom is here?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. And we are here in where? Avon. Indoors. We'll go home? Going home? Bumaba pa ako para bumili ng zipper. Dami po ditong gumagawa ng mga relo. Yan. Dito banda sa Panabo pag pupunta kayo dito. Naka ano po sila. Yan. Hanggang doon. Pagawaan po ng mga relo. Yan po. At ito po ko bibili ng zipper. Yan yung nakalagay na Unibet tailoring supply. Unibet tailoring supply. Dito po ako bibili ng zipper. Ay, zipper. Atong bang kuan uniform sa bata. Pula lang uniform.
Sa sayal?
Isa blouse. Kung pupunta po kayo ng Panabo, pwede po kayo dito bumili ng mga Unibet tailoring, mga tailoring supply dito sa Panabo.
Walay pula. Kung naman ka ng
Sa
sayaw?
ay dili sa uniform sa eskwela sa daycare.
Pula color?
Ilang color nila puti pero
White na lang. Wala kang pula.
pwede mang white no. Okay. Color niya puti man po. Sige na pila siya.
Jeez. Ano lang, isa lang?
Kasi tagpila.
Jeez.
Sige. Ano?
Isa?
Isa. Walang pula kaya puti na lang. Tapos nagtuto dito yung tindahan natin. 10 pesos. Bye. Doon ako galing. Pero pwede din akong dumaan dito.
Habang tumagal ang dagat sa ay bumibilis ang muscle decay at nakaka-apekto ito sa strength ng isang tao.
Uy. O yan ako itong kuhan kahoy. Dito pwedeng dumaan. Actually dito ko galing kanina eh. Tapos paikot lang ako doon. Paikot dito. Yan, paggawa ng rilo. Ayun sila. Bob, the Great Warrior. Yung mga kasama. Kulay puda, puti.
Pwede na eh.
At dumaan kami dito sa Japan second hand shop. Japan surplus actually. Sa tapat niya. Basta sa Panabo po kami. Here in Panabo. tayo papasok na, guys. Ayun, pula. Kanina mo.
Hi, may hapon, sir.
Ngay.
Hi. Welcome to my vlog.
Yan ah. What's that? Ah, yeah, that's abacus. Yeah. You want that one?
Yeah.
You ask how much is that? Go. There. You ask it, how much is that? $100 pesos?
I'm not scared of her. So nice.
You want that one?
Yes, I can use.
Where's mommy?
Where's mommy? Scared, huh?
You ask 20 pesos. Go and you have to pay
Mommy,
that.
20 pesos. 20 pesos, mommy. 20 pesos.
You ask 20 pesos. Go.
Cheap.
It is 20 pesos.
Oh, yes. Very cheap.
You ask 20 pesos. Asan yun? Bilhin daw nyo.
20 pesos, mommy. 20 pesos, this one. 20 pesos, this one, mommy. 20 pesos.
Where's there? Give me. Yan na. Get your 20 pesos. Oh. This one. Get that one. Yan na. Pay for that. Go. Over there. Go. Over there. Here, this way. Here, up. Marunong na po siyang bumili ng kanyang laruan. Oops. Careful. You hurt? You okay? Are you okay? Oh, say hi. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Check. What's that?
What's that? Xylophone.
No, that's not
I
xylophone.
can use this. I have two. And I have two by this thing.
Nanabalik ka na gahapon.
Why not working that? I
Ilan
have
siya?
used that.
250 na lang, ma'am. 500 siya, 250 na lang. Dali lang mo na yung gamay. Dali lang mo na yung kuwan.
Ay, magpunto siya sa hangin.
Ikaw mismo mo huyop. Gamay lang siya ang huyop.
Then, buwian na siya. Ah. Ayan. Tingnan mo.
Okay, ah.
Look. Ah.
Dala, maghuyop lang gamay. Try.
Want to try? Try.
Dali lang mo
Why?
tayo. Isa lang kang huyop.
Bye-bye. 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 Let's say bye-bye. We are going home. Yep. Yan, yung dalawang yan, mga mukhang surplus. Bye-bye. Can you show me your toys? Can you show me your toys? Show your toys to everybody. Wow! Sa halagang 20 pesos, may instant toy ka na. You understand?
Yeah.
What did I say?
That's toy.
Yeah. Nandito na po kami sa Lasa. Dumaan na kami dito sa Play Linda Store. Maya andun na kami sa bahay. At sa wakas nandito na kami sa bahay. Dito na kami. Shout out sa kapitbahay namin. Auntie Myrna vlog. Yung kapitbahay. Shout out. Auntie Myrna. Si ang Golden? Yan po si Auntie Myrna, napakabait. Ano? Ay, mainin na mo? Mainin sa ta. Sasa na? At dyan po nagtapos ang ating video. Thank you po sa mga hanggang sa muli.